What are the steps to calculate retroactive pay for pay equity? Imagine discovering that you were paid less than you should have been 4 months or even years. Calculating retroactive pay helps fix that. When employers find pay gaps based on gender, race, or other protected traits, they need to correct past underpayments. The process involves a few clear steps to ensure fairness and compliance with labor laws. First, you need to identify the period during which the employee was underpaid. This means pinpointing the start and end dates when the pay disparity existed. Next, determine what the employee should have been paid according to pay equity standards. This is the correct pay rate based on fair practices. Then, find out what they were actually paid during that time. Once you have both rates, subtract the old pay rate from the correct pay rate to find the difference per pay unit. For hourly workers, this means the difference in wages per hour. For salaried employees, it's the difference per pay period or divided over the annual salary. Now, calculate the total hours worked or the number of pay periods affected during the retroactive period. For hourly employees, multiply the pay rate difference by the total hours worked. For salaried employees, multiply the difference per pay period by the number of pay periods impacted. If you're dealing with salaried employees, you can also calculate the retroactive pay by taking the difference between the new and old annual salaries, dividing that by the total number of pay periods in a year, and then multiplying by the number of affected pay periods. After this, add the retroactive pay amount to the employee's next paycheck or issue it as a separate payment. It's important to keep detailed records of all calculations and pay rates used. This helps ensure transparency and compliance with wage and hour laws. Employers should also verify that the retroactive pay covers all hours worked, including overtime if applicable. Clear communication with employees about the correction process is essential to maintain trust. Using payroll software that tracks historical pay rates and integrates with timekeeping systems can make these calculations easier and more accurate. Following these steps carefully helps employers stay compliant with pay equity laws and ensures fair treatment for all employees.